Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone. My name is Kathy. Monday, July 19th, will be just 72 days until voir dire in the Idaho versus Kohberger case. 72 days until the process of jury selection is scheduled to commence in this capital case. There are a few items that I believe, I give my opinion as I always do, are owed to the public that the public has not received as of yet. Very important, all of them. The first is the minutes from the public session of the final pretrial conference, which occurred May 15th, 2025. We see, looking at the case summary page here, Court minutes, Judicial Officer Stephen Hippler, public session. These are dated May 15th. They did not drop on the public docket on the 15th, nor did they drop on the public docket on Friday the 16th. We know that these are public records, these minutes, because you see the PDF icon next to it. When you see a PDF icon on the case summary page, that is an indication that this is not sealed. There's nothing here stating that these are sealed minutes, unlike other documents that you'll see that has the lock and key icon, such as the very oddly named miscellaneous document, May 14th, 2025, sealed defendant's offer of proof regarding alternate perpetrators. There was an item that was released on the public docket from May 14th, 2025. It was a motion to seal this document right here. And why it's called miscellaneous and not subject document or record is anyone's guess. This brings us to the second item. Will Judge Hippler seal these documents, grant that motion to seal or not? That is something else that I believe the public should be looking for in this next coming week as this matter speeds toward trial. The next issue, were any minutes taken of the private session? We know that there was a private session in the morning before the court started the public session at approximately 9:29 to 9:30. And that there was apparently a private session in the afternoon as well, after the public session. So are there court minutes from the private session memorializing what occurred, of what happened during a proceeding? This is a summary. That's what minutes are. Summary, synopsis of key events that happened here during the public session, and unknown at this point if there are court minutes from the private session. Hopefully we'll get that answer. And then we see a hearing that was scheduled with absolutely no notification to the public other than this notation here on the case summary page. May 21st, 2025, hearing scheduled at 10 a.m. Judicial Officer Judge Stephen Hippler, regarding discussion regarding role of victims. This is a sealed and closed hearing. This popped up after the final pretrial conference, so it is my speculation that this was probably agreed to and discussed during the closed hearings on the 15th of May 2025, the final pretrial conference in advance of trial. Then one other related matter that we covered in our last episode here on YouTube was that both sides have to get certain information to Judge Stephen Hippler in compliance with the court's order of May 15th, 2025 regarding the hold order as to records. And this dealt with the fallout from the Dateline NBC special, Terrible Night on King Road, that the court referenced in both of those orders. We may be seeing some sort of a notice of compliance hitting the docket or the case summary page on or before May 22nd, 2025, because that's when all of the items, including names, that the court directed both sides to assemble and to produce to him are due. It is due to be submitted in camera, meaning Judge Hippler's eyes only in chambers. This is nothing that is going to appear on the public docket. We might at best see a notice of compliance at some point. This matter is progressing very quickly toward voir dire and trial. We will continue to monitor the situation, bring you updates as they occur. If you have any comments, any feedback, all's appreciated here. And if you have not yet already subscribed to our channel, I would appreciate it if you would consider doing so, because then it will notify you as soon as new content is published. This is Kathy. Thank you for joining us today.